What's up, everybody? We're going to do some wader fishing on the Mississippi River by a dam that we love, representing Fishing More, Minnesota fishing. Come along on the journey with us. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Caught such a big 20-incher smallie here the other day. It was that same situation where it was just some movement, casted, got him. Yeah. Slowly but surely approaching fall. No, I think I was just snizzing. I want to see Casey catch one. That you just, yeah. Oh, got one.
That was probably mine.
I didn't even notice this guy was fighting me at first. Yeah, he's decent. That's why I was like, okay. Now, in Minnesota, we call this a baby northern. Just kidding, he's probably a teenager. Yeah, there he is. Let's let this guy go. Well, nice little northern. Let this guy go. Casing with the Fishing More sweatshirt. With northerns, you want to do this. Give them some oxygen. It's just the way they are when they get caught. You just need to let them. And we're back. We are the spinner whispers. That's what we're called by people in Minnesota. Like, we'll go into a store, right, Kaysen? How they call us the spinner whispers? Like, we'll go into a store, a restaurant, and we'll just be like, we're just trying to eat, man. And they'll be like, spinner whispers, please, 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 talk to us. And we're like, yeah, we get it, we're the spinner whispers, but right now we just want to be a regular Joe, just like you. Right, Kaysen? He says no, but that happens every day. Kaysen's saying I stole his fish. I say that didn't happen. I think he's making it up. What do you think? Leave comments below if you think Cason's just a liar. There's movement right there. Probably a big old northern. Cason's got a fear of a northern attacking him because they get, you know, huge in Minnesota. A serious story. Cason has a fear that a giant northern, I mean, hey, they had northerns on river monsters once of the Great North, but he's fearful that a 50-footer is going to come and bite his leg, which that's so rare. But I had my friend's mom, I believe it was in Mille Lacs Lake. She was sitting on a deck, or 100%. Oh my gosh, as I'm talking the story, no, 100%, something went like this at my legs, bro. Like, that freaked me out because I haven't had that ever in the water. Bye-bye. Oh, hell no. Nope. Okay, so anyways, as I was telling the story, he left. He gone. That did freak me out. That was freaky. I don't know what fish that was, but he freaking wigged out. Got one. Another northern. He's smaller. Maybe this is the guy who wigged out at me. So anyways, as I was telling the story, I might as well, since something like wiggled at my legs and now I caught a northern. She was sitting at her deck. It might have been Canada or it was Mille Lacs. Those are the two places her family went. And she was like younger and she had her feet in the water. And then all of a sudden, boom, a big northern grabbed her calf muscle. She's gushing blood, freaking out. And then her mom stuck her fingers in its eyes because I guess that's a way to make them release. And luckily it released and that was it. But it was like, she said, just horrifying. I think she was like 9-ish, but yeah. So the fear is real. A lot of people think it's fake, but this is what we call a snake, the little guy. Let's get a release on him. Another northern. Let's get a release on him. These little guys usually will wig out like a... All right, we're back after the second attack, which is crazy. I never even had that. I had to coax Cason back into the water. I mean, realistically, though, we're overzealous. We shouldn't.
Oh, it's a stupid stick.
We shouldn't be. He gets real skeeved out. That skeeved me out, dude. Those two fish, like, that was weird, dude. Never had that because I haven't done a lot of wader fishing in my life, but I've mainly, you know, land and boat because I've had this boat for a couple years that we've been slaying it with. But yeah, but like I was saying in the other video, yeah, I've worked where I was in super serious water with stingrays and alligators, bull sharks. So to me, it's like realistically, it's not that freaky. But just when something underwater in the aquatics starts wigging out at your legs.
It's faster.
And two, I just don't want, like, yeah, to step on a bull shark, a bullhead, and, you know, it go through my wader, I don't know. And then, you know, I'm a truck driver, so I literally use my feet all day, and I do physical truck work too. And just, you know, if I got my right foot, I'd be sitting there all day like in pain. And our brakes, I don't know if you know this, but with trucking, your brake pedal is just firm as hell, so I could just see it being a thing. And I would not want to use my left foot because then people would die. Well, dude, you weren't the one who got the fish just... Oh. Oh my gosh, really? All right. That's how you feel, fish? You better not cast there, boy. Look at this. Comment down below if he's evil. He sees I get a hit. But actually, honestly, I'm not like that, and neither is he. We'll joke, but I don't really care. Like, I'm the type of fishing partner, like, if I want you to go cast where I just had a hit, catch the fish. I don't know, there's a lot of people who aren't like that. Comment down below if you're a douchebag or not. Oh, look at that. What? Big movement, bro. Come on, be a big old northern that I can put by Cason's legs. Oh my gosh. Come on, baby.
I need a fish.
Oh, man. Had him, too. I don't know if anyone knows this. If you don't know, Minnesota is the land of 10,000 lakes. Just so you know. There's actually more than that too. Yeah. We just have so many, and there's so many little ones that yeah. We gotta keep going. We gotta get to our smallie spot. Big time. Let's walk through this. No, I think I just tripped over something.
Oh, no.
Did something touch you?
No, but something huge moved right there, dude. No, like I felt the wind on my leg.
Yep, that happened to me with a big carp.
Oh.
Stop, you're making me laugh. I can't even talk. Holy crap. Here, you know what? Should we go up there and just go to our smallie spot? We'll be right back. We're just gonna get to our smallie spot and tune in. We'll be right back. You can check that out. I definitely stick out when I'm at a boat landing. We'll just say that. Got one. Teeny smallie. Teeny smallie. Stop moving, buddy. You got that, didn't you? Little smallie. Need to do a release on him. What the hell? Jesus, kid. Got one. A little smallie. Did you get yours out of the tree? He literally, he casts like Luka Doncic shoots. Like the most arc on planet Earth. Or like Dirk Nowitzki, let's just say that. Get a release on this guy, whatever. A little smallie. You going? Probably little guys if they ain't taking her down. But yeah. I mean, trust me, I love catching big fish, but I'm cool with catching small fish. Because I just like being in nature. Yeah, I knew he was going to be a small guy. This guy will just let go. Oh yeah, they're under the mud, boy. What do you mean what? You're awesome. All right, we're good, right? All right, good. We're safe for now. So yeah, then we just hiked back. We saw Bigfoot one time here.
No, we didn't.
And something had happened that Kaysen, so he doesn't like to really talk about it.
Careful for the bees.
But something happened, yeah, there's a bee like area here. Something happened to Kaysen with Bigfoot that he doesn't like to talk about. So he just doesn't want to discuss it, which I understand. I mean, when something happens to you like that, it's hard to really, you know, open up. Telling me no. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. I'm trying to think of a catchphrase of signing off when we do our fishing vlog. He's saying no. I'm saying gotta catch them all.
That's Pokemon.
He's saying that's Pokemon. And then I thought of another one that says gotta start fishing more. That's who?
Fishing more.
That's Murda. Okay, so okay, yeah, that's right. Gotta start fishing less? No? Okay. Is there any good ones that you can think of?
No.
Fish or die? Fish is life? Instead of ball is life? Fish is life? You like that one?
No.
Fish is life. All right, we'll come up with one, but for now we don't have one. But fish is life, he said, is the top one to him. Right?
No.
Well, that's it for the day. We didn't catch any river monsters, but we caught, what? The 5 fish, something like that. Something like that. Decent day, but no big uns. But thanks for coming along. Like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. And you can go to the Minnesota fishing playlist. We got a lot of videos.